One morning, Kyle was at the harbor talking to Taffy. The visitors are spending the day at the lake by the Valleyside station, so I must drop them off there and then pick them up again this evening. That's a very good job for you to do, Kyle, but I've got to warn you about something. Oh, why is that? My driver said that there could possibly be a heavy fall of snow this evening. A heavy fall of snow this evening? Huh! I thought we've had that kind of weather before. It was true from the last time, but this time we're having this again. Snow can cause a lot of problems for us sometimes. But the sun is shining. How could it possibly snow? Honestly, Kyle, we can't change the weather. Our lines are close to the hills, so the snow could be deep. Oh, for goodness sake, Taffy. I think I've heard enough about this for one day. I know all about the snow. Nothing shall stop me if I go to the hills. I can make it through and arrive on time. Now, if you excuse me, I am in a hurry. Okay, but if you're ever in trouble, no one is better to rescue you than me. If I was told to do so, then I have to, just in case you need help. Humph! Now that's silly. You're only a Great Western engine. You do nothing to help me better than anybody else. And Kyle puffed away. Taffy was upset. I was only trying to help. Later that day, Kyle greeted the visitors. Soon, they arrived at the lake where the Valleyside station took place. I will come back for you this evening. No problem. Thank you, Kyle. Have fun. And then Kyle set off. The hours went by, and the sky got darker. Suddenly, the snow started to fall, and it got heavier. Kyle was shunting freight cars in the yards when Miss Edwards came to see him. Kyle, this is an emergency. You must stop what you're doing and go to the lake right away. Right away, Miss Edwards. Taffy warned me this morning about the snowstorm, but I thought she was being silly. It's my fault as well. I should have canceled the trip. Oh dear, it's getting dark, and it's a long way to the lake, so we must hurry. Kyle raced away as fast as he could. In no time at all, the rally was white with snow. And soon, it was dark. Kyle was puffing to the lake as fast as he could. But there was trouble. In the valley, the snow was too deep. Oh no! We're going to have to go back, Kyle. But what about the visitors? We will go back to the harbor and see if we can get help. So Kyle quickly left. Soon, he arrived at the harbor. Kyle's driver ran quickly into the office to see the harbor master. Taffy was also there. She was surprised to see Kyle. Kyle, thank goodness you're here. But what's the matter? I can't get to the visitors. They were trapped at the lake. If the snow keeps up, they'll be frozen solid. Oh dear! Then Kyle's driver returned. The harbor master said that we need another engine to clear away the snowdrifts and get the visitors from the lake. Please, sir, I'll go get the visitors. I've got my snowplow on. I won't be long. Alright, Taffy, but please, be careful. Taffy puffed away quickly, but carefully. It was a tough weather, but Taffy battled through the heavy snow. The poor visitors were worried. Oh dear, What will happen if another engine isn't coming to help us? Don't worry, we'll just have to wait until it arrives. Then they heard a whistle. At last, Taffy arrived. The visitors were relieved. They climbed carefully onto Taffy's cab, where they were feeling warmth from her firebox. At last, the visitors were brought to safety. Oh, thank you so much, Taffy. Yes, you are a really useful engine. Taffy was very proud. Kyle was very happy to see the visitors. Taffy, what will we ever have done without you? I'm sorry I ever doubted you. Don't worry about it. I sure did say I'm only trying to help. Not only did I usually help rescuing the other engines, but I rescue people too. Now that's what I do best. Yes, indeed. You may be Great Western, Taffy, but you are indeed a really useful engine.